Now A is the dictionary data type. Here there are three keys there, 1, sport and 5, and three values, Python, cricket and 100. I want to add new key and its corresponding value. Example, I am checking whether there any key with fruit. Definitely error will come. So this time what I am doing, I am giving the key value in the square brackets, and at the same time I am giving the value also, fruit, apple. So this key and corresponding value are added to my dictionary. So in my dictionary you can observe, in this dictionary data type, fruit and the corresponding value apple are added. Now this time I am taking a of some 10. The key value 10 is not there. Its corresponding value, I am taking some complex number 3 plus 2 z. Now this will be added to A. This is how we can add a new item, a new key and its value to the existing dictionary. This time we are taking some floating data type 3.14 as a key, and we are mentioning India as its value. So you can observe the 3.14 as key and its value India are added to the existing dictionary. This is how we can add new key and its value to the existing dictionary.